All right, let's dive right in. We're going to break down a proven blueprint for making some real money using AI, specifically looking ahead to 2026. If you've been searching for AI side hustles that actually work, you've come to the right place. This is your roadmap. Now, just picture that for a second. An extra 800, maybe even 3 grand a month. And this isn't some fantasy. This is based on real tests. We're talking about building income streams where AI does most of the heavy lifting for you. It's a whole new way to earn. And I know what you're thinking. This is going to cost a fortune to set up. Nope. Let's get that out of the way right now. This entire blueprint was tested with a starting budget of just 100 to 150 bucks. That covered all the tools, all the tests, everything. Okay, so what's on the menu today? We're going to walk through 5, count them, 5 really powerful AI-driven side hustles. And then at the end, we'll pull it all together so you can see the big picture. First up is the heavy hitter. Seriously, this turned out to be the biggest earner of the bunch, building custom AI agents for local businesses. These folks are crying out for this kind of help, and most don't even know it exists yet. So what is an AI agent? Well, think of it like a super smart assistant that you build using tools you probably already know, like ChatGPT. It can handle appointment bookings, reply to customer questions, follow up on leads, all automatically. Imagine a plumber or a dentist who's too busy to answer every single text. You solve that problem for them 24/7. And the proof is in the pudding. In just the first month of trying this out, we landed 3 clients that brought in $1,400. That's a massive signal that there's huge untapped demand for this. It's the highest earner because you're solving a real painful business problem. And trust me, small businesses are always willing to pay for things that save them time and make them money. All right, next up. This one's for anyone who likes the idea of creating content, but, doesn't really want to put their face on camera for the whole world to see. Let's talk about AI-powered faceless YouTube channels. So a faceless channel is exactly what it sounds like. You're never on screen. Instead, you use AI to do almost everything. An AI can write the scripts, another AI can create a super realistic voiceover, and you can use simple editors to stitch together video clips. The AI is basically your entire production crew. And the best part is, you can do this in pretty much any niche you can think of. We tested it with English learning tips, but you could easily do quick recipes, daily motivational quotes, tech tutorials, you name it. All of these areas are absolutely booming right now. Now, the income here starts a little smaller, but it's consistent. The test channel pulled in about 120 bucks in its first month. That came from a mix of YouTube ads and affiliate links. It's a slow burn, but it can really snowball into something big over time. Okay, hustle number 3 takes us over to the world of freelancing. Think sites like Fiverr or Upwork, but we're not just going to compete. We're going to use AI to give ourselves an almost unfair advantage, and that advantage is speed. Now, the trick here is all in the positioning. You're not selling cheap AI content. You're selling human-refined AI content. The AI does the grunt work, getting you a first draft in minutes. Then you, the human, come in and polish it to perfection. You can deliver amazing work in a fraction of the time, and clients will happily pay a premium for that kind of turnaround. And the results? They really speak for themselves. Using this supercharged method, we handled 12 orders in just 4 weeks. And that brought in $950. The demand for high-quality content that's delivered fast it's never going away. Time for something a little more on the creative side. Hustle number 4 is all about using AI image generators to create awesome, unique designs that you can sell on merchandise without ever having to buy or hold any inventory. Zero risk! The process here is it's beautiful. It's so simple. Step 1, you use a tool like Midjourney to create some incredible art. Step 2, you upload it to a print-on-demand site like Printful. And that's pretty much it. When someone buys a t-shirt with your design, the platform prints it, ships it, and you just sit back and collect the profit. So in the first 45 days, a little test store made $420 in pure profit, all from designs based around things like motivational quotes and some niche hobbies. The best part? Once a design is uploaded and live, it becomes a super low-effort, almost passive income stream. All right, our 5th and final hustle. This one's a bit like the first one, but instead of customer-facing stuff, we're focused on internal systems. This is all about becoming an AI automation consultant, where you solve those small, annoying administrative problems for other businesses. You can use what are called no-code tools, like Zapier or Make.com, which basically let you build things without knowing how to code. It's like digital Legos. You can create systems that automatically reply to emails, schedule out social media posts, or follow up with new leads. These are things that save business owners hours and hours every single week. And because you're providing so much value, you're literally giving people their time back, you can charge a good price for it. In our test month, just 4 of these setup gigs brought in $1,100. Businesses are more than happy to pay for that kind of efficiency. Whew, okay. We have gone through all 5 hustles. So now, let's zoom out, take a step back, and look at the whole scorecard to see how this entire AI blueprint shakes out. So here's the bottom line. This table lays it all out for you. You can see each hustle, the main tools you'd need, and the actual income we saw in about the first month of testing. What's so cool about this is that it shows there's a path for everyone, whether you're looking to make an extra $100 or you're shooting for over 1,000. But look, if you only take one thing away from this whole explainer, let it be this. Don't get overwhelmed and try to do everything at once. Just pick the one that sounds the most exciting to you, start small, and let the AI give you superpowers. The only real skill you need here is just taking consistent action. And that brings us to the final question. I'm turning it over to you. Looking at this blueprint, from AI agents to automated t-shirt designs, which one of these 5 side hustles are you going to try first? Give it some thought, because making that choice is the very first step to making all of this a reality for you.